unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
Faulty spark plugs, defective ignition coils, and malfunctioning oxygen sensors are among the primary sensors and components that can cause engine misfires. Additionally, a faulty mass airflow sensor, which measures the amount of air entering the engine, and a malfunctioning crankshaft or camshaft position sensor, which can disrupt the engine's timing, are also common culprits. Regular maintenance and timely replacement of these sensors and components can prevent misfires and ensure smooth engine performance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.